Welcome to the DRB Pro Emulator tutorial series. In this video, we'll demonstrate one of the most powerful features of the app, reading the full software and calibration data from a Chrysler JTEC engine controller. This is the first and most crucial step for tuning or creating a safe backup of your vehicle's software. First, let's connect to our Cry Pro V2 scanner. A single tap is all it takes to establish the Bluetooth connection. With the scanner connected, we'll navigate to the programming section and select Engine. This is the central hub for all memory reading and writing operations. Our first step is to configure the session correctly. Under Controller, we select the hardware we're working with. For this 1997 vehicle, we'll choose JTEC. For 1999 and newer models, you would select JTEC Plus. This app also supports SBEC 3 controllers. Next, the bus configuration. JTEC controllers use the SCI protocol. We need to tell the scanner which pins on the OBD2 port to use. SCIA is the most common, while SCIB was used on later models to make room for the CAN bus pins. We'll stick with SCIA now. We select the chip memory we want to read. JTEC controllers have three types. Flash contains the main software and calibration maps for tuning. EEPROM stores vehicle-specific data like the VIN and security keys. And HC11K4 is the internal memory of a coprocessor. For tuning, we want the flash memory. Finally, we set our task to read. With our session configured, we're ready to begin. The app provides a final confirmation before starting. We'll tap Yes to proceed. To read the full memory, the controller must be put into a special bootstrap mode. The first step is to completely power down the controller by turning the ignition key to the off or locked position. Now a 15-second timer begins. This is to ensure the controller's internal capacitors fully discharge, guaranteeing it's completely powered off. The decision to enter bootstrap mode is made right at the next key on, so this step is critical. With the timer finished, the scanner has applied a special boot voltage to the SCI bus. Now, turn the ignition key to the run position, but do not start the engine. You might notice the fuel pump doesn't prime. That's a good sign you're entering bootstrap mode. The scanner now detects the controller's bootstrap signal, performs a security handshake to unlock it, and uploads a small worker application to the controller's RAM. This worker will handle our commands. Bootstrap was successful, and the reading process begins automatically. The firmware is read in chunks and saved directly to the scanner's internal flash memory for speed and reliability. And there we have it. The full 256 kilobyte flash memory has been read and saved. The pop-up shows us the file name. We'll tap OK for now. Next, we'll repeat the exact same process to get the EEPROM data. We select EEPROM as the chip type and start the session again. With our backups complete, let's navigate to the Storage Manager under the Tools menu. Here are the two files we just created. Files starting with an F contain flash data, and those with an E contain EEPROM data. As you can see, the EEPROM is 640 bytes, while the flash file is 256 kilobytes. It's worth noting that reading the EEPROM in bootstrap mode gives you the full 640 bytes. If you were to read it in normal diagnostic mode, you would only receive 512 bytes for compatibility with SBEC 3 systems. Bootstrap mode gives you everything. Now let's transfer these files to our phone. We'll select the flash file and tap the download icon. After confirming, the file is transferred via Bluetooth. Once complete, you can save it anywhere on your device for backup, tuning, or sharing. We'll do the same for the EEPROM file. Now both critical pieces of our controller's software are safely stored on our phone. Today, we successfully configured a read operation, guided a JTEC controller into bootstrap mode, and extracted both the main software and the EEPROM data to the scanner and then to our phone. Thank you for watching. Join us next time, where we'll show you how to write this software back to the controller after making tuning modifications.